G'day all, MrFalloffalot here. New project of the day, month / week, whatever. Picked this up at a car boot sale for next to nothing, I think $5 or $10, can't remember. Going to restore it, going to use it on the XT. It is going to be the scrap heap adventure bike whenever I get to the next one. Going to use bumper bar, hood and bumper bar, paint, bumper, whatever. Hood and bumper paint, East Coast Auto Spares. Good local place. Anyway, taking these screws off, they've been in there for years, so they're all rusted and so on. So be careful when you unscrew for the first time or get the heads, because they can apply a lot of downward pressure when you do that first crack, because that's when you can jump. With Phillips heads you can jump and burr the top. Oh, that one was quite loose. For a lot of you, I'm probably teaching you things you already know, but hey, tips and tricks. Cool. It's coming off easily. I was starting to mask it up, and I noticed on the back it slides in. Well, that's easy. That's going to be nice and easy. Excellent. Alright, take a couple of these out. Don't mind a little bit of rattle, not too much. Mounting bolts, doesn't matter. Now there was a red bit at the back. What's the deal with this? How does that come up? Oh, annoying. I'll have to peel those off, but I actually bought some new ones. Actually, I might mask those up. Now this red bit, what the hell? Give it a bit of, not force, but a bit of convincing. Very handy to have in your pocket, a pair of rose pruners, I highly advise. I do gardening, and they're in there with my job. And I've used them for just about every tool out there, from hammers to pliers to spanners, screwdrivers, Phillips heads, the works. Find a new use every day. And now I'm finding it a good push tool. Get out of there! Get out! Come with me if you want to leave. Donk. Excellent. That's popped out. Nice. Well, now I don't have to mask anything, which I'm happy with. I'm probably going to cover that with tape anyway. The black and yellow tape that I'll be using. Oh, that's a lot better. A lot easier. Oh, that's good. Why is it a Phillips head anyway? I mean, was it Philip that invented it? Who knows? I tell you what, I'll have a look on Wiki and let you know. Oops, watch it. What just fell down? One spring, might have been another spring. Yeah, probably a little bloody spring, damn it. Hey, carpet. If you can get carpet from anywhere, stick it in your workshop. It's great, it soaks up the oil. Instead of oil stains, you get on the carpet, not on the concrete, because you never get it out of the concrete. So when you move out, sell the house, whatever, concrete's all clean. And also, it's good on your knees, because you should not stand on cold concrete all day or for hours, whichever. Now, I hope I haven't Opened up a can of worms here, but this has wanted to just fall apart. Shit. Well, that's probably going to have a spring on it. So I think it's in the slide, probably there. I guess. Ooh, shit. There might have been another one. Damn it. I've lost a spring. Bugger. Went down, hit my leg, so that way somewhere. The trouble is, a spring's going to go far. Oh, shit. Oh. It's right here. I'll put my hand there and bang, it was there. That is lucky, actually. I expected that to roll away because it could have gone spring. Excellent. I'm glad of that. I've lost a lot of nuts and bolts in this freaking floor. Anyway. Now, where was I? What I will do, something that I picked up from somewhere along the way. Stay. Right, I'll hold it. When you want to store valuable things, not valuable, but you know, stuff you don't want to lose, it's a good idea to maybe use tape. So those springs, actually what I'll do is, I'll put them in place, put it in this spot, and then I'll wrap it. Cool. That's not going to give any bar. Hello all. Back to the hard case. I'm giving this a bit of a polish because plastic actually does respond with polish. Just the dullness, but once you start you'll have to keep on going. This is the original, I haven't touched this yet. It's actually got a nice shine on it, but the other side was really faded like this. It's gotten better a little bit. Don't know if you can see that. That's that shine, blending into that shine, and then going into that shine. So it's still a bit dull, but it might come up better. I've yet to use smoother polishes. Started off with a fine cut cream, next moving along to a rejuvenator. It's apparently really good for red paint, so this is red. And then I'll move into a wax, just to give it a complete protectant, make the shine last a bit longer. Do I need to show you how to polish? Has anybody seen Karate Kid? Oh, wax on, wax off, grasshopper. Oh, it's polished both ways. I mean, it's a lot easier to go inwards, but Miyagi-san would teach outwards so you can get your deflection reflexes. But both ways, and that way you get an even, more even circular motion all over the surface you're doing. But that's just my opinion. Just always support it underneath, because you don't want to do all this effort and then snap the bloody thing. It'd be broken and bloody frustrating then. Quick buff with something other than the final buff rag, then give it a final buff. Not forgetting occasionally to toss your rag. Ha 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 ha. The shine's a little bit better than it was, and it will come up a little bit more with wax, but it won't ultimately be brand new again. But for a $5 hard case, does it really matter? Alright, cool. Broke the cap on this. Coke fits well. Bit of plug from them, not that I need it. Alrighties. Well, that's come up shiny enough. I like that. That'll do. $5, can't go wrong. Oh, I have finished the bloody Indian miners. I have finished the box. So I'll bring this inside. Check that out. Oh, things always look better in the dark.
Companies and wine growers are looking at purchasing or have begun purchasing land in Tasmania and a cooler climate.
There we go.
Moving out of areas like Central Victoria
Nice. Cool. Gravy. Alright, well I'll show you when it's all bolted up and done. Excellent. Alright, it's done. I didn't really clean it up properly too much. I didn't actually plastic weld, but I can do that later. Oh, I've got to take these off. Apart from that, it's done. There, now it's done. Yeah, it's taken from a $5 hard pack to a $45 one. Anyway, job done. Cool. Go out, save some money. Why buy the new shit? Much more fun fixing it up. See you guys. Speak to you soon. Bye.